Have you ever locked yourself out of your car, your home, or your office? Even for a moment, you slip and the door shuts behind you. Or you're going to the convenience store, you jump out, forgetting you don't have the spare key on you. Well, what do you do when you're stuck in a situation that you can't get into? Who do you call to help you get unstuck, to get back on your way? Who do you trust? A 23.5-hour locksmith. With a simple call, you can get a licensed and bonded locksmith to your location. And with reasonable rates and great discounts, 23.5-hour locksmith is your go-to guys. Who's giving you the keys to your life? 23.5-hour locksmith. That's right.